the petitioner is a member of the PTI and was one of the candidates for the reserved seats. A list was filed by PTI, which was subsequently returned by the Election Commission, and she was on that list on behalf of PTI.
So why is it nil, your petition not numbered?
We were not parties to the proceedings in Peshawar, and we are filing on the basis of the law laid down by your lordships in H.M. Sayer's case.
Did you move an application to be joined as a party?
No, my lord, no, we did not. But H.M. Sayer's case gives us the right to...
We know H.M. Sayer.
I'll just place that in subsequent judgments in which your lordships have said that
No,
in
but
fact...
The H.M. Sayer's case is if as a consequence of some judgment
Yes.
you are affected.
We are.
But this is not as a consequence.
It is, my lord, as a consequence
You were
of...
never declared as a candidate.
Yes,
You had a standalone grievance.
Our position
on day
is-
one. You never filed a petition.
no, our position is that
My
if-
position.
Yes, my lord, but she represents the women's wing of the PTI. and
No. Let's
Okay, my lord.
let's stay
My
in the realms
position,
of law.
my position is that had the Election Commission allowed reserved seats to SIC or to PTI, she would have been a candidate in the election. And by not permitting
You were
reserved seats,
aggrieved why you didn't challenge your grievance before any forum.
it was being challenged, it was being agitated. But it was being challenged by SIC before the Peshawar High Court, the Election Commission.
SIC का तो एक अलग है ना. I think neither you are appreciating the conflict.
Lord,
Almost,
my lord.
you are a standalone candidate. You are being deprived.
Yes, I am being deprived,
So
and
then
therefore...
you have a right to agitate.
Quite so. And therefore, I'm affected by this judgment, and H.M. Sayer's case applies to me on all
आपका
fours.
नाम उस लिस्ट में था जिसमें पीटीआई
PTI
की लिस्ट में आपका नाम था
जी
इधर है लिस्ट आपकी दिखाएं.
जी
पेज. जी. The page.
No, it's not been filed yet. I just got it, my lord. But I will file it if I may.
ये तो सारा आपका केस ही इस पे बिल्ड अप हो रहा है.
I've asserted it. I've stated it.
कौन सी वाली लिस्ट में नाम है ये?
Application. The list is here. This was the list that was presented. And this list was returned.
Mr. Salman Raja, neither is your petition numbered. Now you're producing enough notice has been given. Now you're producing a piece of paper on which your entire case rests.
I will file it.
I mean, it's not something that has just come in your hands. This is your document.
My lord, इसमें मैंने दो दिए, and then also we filed a writ petition in the High Court saying...
चीज का जवाब ही नहीं दे रहे हैं किसी चीज.
My lord, I have
बस आपने
stated
कहा
it.
ठीक है बस.
No, my lord, I'll explain. But in between, there was a problem with the sealing of the office and so on, and this was actually recovered quite late in the day. Eid holidays came in, and I've just received it, and I will file it. My apologies for not being able to file it earlier, but we were struggling with the sealing and the de-sealing of the
ये
office.
लिस्ट में तो सिर्फ दो नाम हैं.
जी, इसमें यही चाहिए थे.
लिस्ट तो कॉलम.
नहीं, because the law says as long as you filed a list, later on you can add
This is
to
the
it.
only list.
Yes, for the
Of
National
PTI.
Assembly. Yes, for the National Assembly. And
I'll ask you this question again.
Yes.
This is the only list of PTI for women,
yes.
two candidates only.
Yes, because we knew that ultimately the law allows us to supplement this
अब
list.
आपसे आर्गुमेंट नहीं पूछ रहे.
Yes.
आप फैक्ट पूछ रहे हैं.
I've said so.
So if you don't think there's a danger in the
No.
answer.
Oh, no, this is the list that was filed.
Okay.
And therefore, at that time, when this list was filed, the expectation was that after the election, we would
Sorry,
be...
this is the list for reserve list for seats
Or women.
women in from Punjab.
Yes.
So you filed separately for the other provinces.
Yes.
And for the
I'll file them all.
and for the provincial.
Yes.
अब तक फैक्ट्स आपको नहीं पता है.
नहीं, मुझे पता है.
अभी मैं आपसे 3 दफा ये सवाल पूछा. My lord has to point out कि भाई पंजाब वाली लिस्ट है.
Yes. So I am filing the list before your lordships, in which she is named.
There should be a sense of responsibilities. How can we just accept it? That's why we want documents filed before
I will
the other
file them.
party gets a chance to at least consider it.
The Election Commission actually has filed things which have just come to my attention this morning. They've filed something over the weekend.